pull it out and have a look. So keep turning it forward, you never ever turn them backwards. Yeah, you can see the cuttings there, starting there, down to the end, so it's getting very near now. Run under power now with a very light amount of pressure on it, because my hands are starting to hurt. It's going in very slightly. You can just feel it on the handle on the tailstock as it loosens off. And that's now cutting just about full depth. Just a very fine powder it's bringing out. Feels good. Yeah, clean it up and put some marking blue on and see where it's good. It's starting to get near now. It's blue all the way down. It's still going a little bit deeper. It's actually starting to warm up, so I'll let it cool down a little bit and then give it one more go. Probably settle for that, like. And a nice taper on the end. It doesn't just stop you cutting your finger, it means you can drop it as well. You're doing damage to the very end of the ball. Still a sharp edge on there, that's the only bit that wasn't machined and we bored straight through. This is the clock gauge and stand that I'm going to be giving away. I think I'll spend a little bit of time and just polish the rust off the two spindles, and there's also a nut missing off there. That goes through there, and there's a nut the same as that goes on, and that clamps onto that bar. I've had a measure, and that's quarter BSF. I've got a quarter BSF tap, so I'll make a nut to go on there, and then the set's actually complete. First thing I'll do, I'll just polish the rust off these. I spoke before about using them reshaping the lathe. You must be very careful. Cleaned up quite nicely. Just surface rust, that's all it was. Next thing is to make a little nut for the end. Put a nail finish onto it. Nice sharp nail, that's just what we need. Drill it and tap with quarter BSF. Sink the drill first, as always. Tap and drill for quarter BSF. It's 5.3 according to my chart. That's the little test rig we assembled. That's a nut we've just made. So now it's basically ready to use. A little bit of Scotch-Brite and some oil, and this will clean up really nice. The gauge is in very good condition actually. It's nice and free and smooth. It's Mercer, it's Imperial. It is a decent clock gauge. I hope whoever wins it has many years of pleasure using it.
Although from the ground particularly rather far away to the whole visit, these engines are really good on display. It's a very interesting place to go into videos of them showing steam flying using counterbalance drives and 20 edges being used. So amazing, we're absolutely delighted, privileged to get engines of this size and scale here. I'm really proud of that, we're very clever with this.
It just remains now to hand you out to Deb, and I think she's going to say a few closing words. Anyway, thanks for watching.
I'd like to thank you all for subscribing, watching and liking the channels. Greatly appreciated. And thank you for all the well wishes and good thoughts for myself and for John's dad Ed. As you can see, I'm doing well. Starting to lose a bit of weight, getting over the treatment, so rock on next year. Thank you very much.